Hello world. It's currently 7:45 a.m. I'm waiting for my train to another station here in Genova, because today we're going to Piedmont. There are two beautiful places that I've had on my bucket list for 2 years, 3 years actually. So today we'll be visiting Alessandria Nasti. Alessandria was founded in 1168 by the Lombard League, an alliance of northern Italian cities united against the Holy Roman Emperor Frederick Barbarossa. The city was named in honor of Pope Alexander III, who supported the League. Its strategic location between major trade routes and near the Po River made Alessandria a significant military and political center over the centuries. The city's history is marked by various sieges, battles, and its role as a key defensive stronghold in the region. So guys, welcome to Alessandria in Piedmont. I'm gonna see 7 or 8 places here, go to the Citadel. Behind me you can see the train station. Basically, like, in my experience, 80% of Italian small towns look the same. So there's a train station, there is usually a small park. There are some guys hanging around, I don't know, looking for trouble or something. Gotta be super careful. I had to stop recording. I don't like this sound behind my back of an approaching bicycle or, you know, footsteps. I'm usually very careful. So yeah, so let's see what Alessandria has to offer. Then the next step is Asti. So yeah, let's see. Piazza Giuseppe Garibaldi is one of the main squares in Alessandria, named after the renowned Italian general and nationalist Giuseppe Garibaldi. It's a very lively and bustling area surrounded by historic buildings, shops and cafes. This square serves as a central gathering place for both locals and tourists, reflecting the vibrant life of the city. Museo Borsalino is a museum dedicated to the history of the famous Borsalino hat factory, established in 1857 by Giuseppe Borsalino. The factory became renowned worldwide for its high-quality felt hats, particularly the iconic fedora. The museum showcases the rich heritage of hat making, with exhibits detailing the craftsmanship, fashion and cultural impact of Borsalino hats. Alessandria Cathedral, also known as the Cathedral of Saints Peter and Mark, was built between the 12th and 14th centuries, blending Romanesque and Gothic styles. Its interior features notable work, including 17th century Genoese paintings and 1954 main altar and stained glass windows by Dalle Ceste. The Baroque choir, 18th century, by Costantino Sereno, and the dome, designed by Emilio Arboreo Vella, are significant highlights. The cathedral houses numerous chapels with works by artists like Guglielmo Caccia and Jacopo de Ponte, as well as historic pipe organ restored in 2008. Palazzo Ghilini is an elegant palace built in the 18th century. It serves as a prime example of Baroque architecture with its grand facade and intricate decorations. The palace has historically been a center of political and administrative activities and continues to be an important landmark in Alessandria. Pasticceria Bonadeo is a delightful pastry shop located in a beautiful and elegant passage, known for its exquisite pastries and confections. It's a favorite spot for locals and visitors alike to enjoy traditional Italian sweets and desserts in a charming and sophisticated setting. Arco di Trionfo, the Marino Arch, built in 1768 by Giuseppe Caselli to commemorate Kings Vittorio and Amadeus III's visit, stands as a roundabout on Via Marino. Parocchia dei Santi Stefano e Martino. Understanding the history of Alessandria's Santo Stefano Church requires tracing back to significant events before its construction. The church's history intertwines with the fate of Bergoglio, raised in 1728 for a military citadel. Initially erected in the 12th century within Bergoglio, the church transitioned to Alessandria's urban fabric. Rebuilt in 1773, it faced disruptions during the French presence, ultimately passing from the friars to secular clergy in 1850. Citadel of Alessandria is a star fort built in the 18th century, renowned for its well-preserved military architecture. The citadel played a crucial role in the defense of the region, and is one of the finest examples of its kind in Europe. On March 10th, 1821, for the first time in the history of Italy, the tricolor flag was raised on the ramparts of the citadel. Today it stands as a monumental historical site, offering insights into the military engineering and strategic importance of Alessandria in the past.
So I had a short walk around the old town. Alessandria is pretty interesting, though I don't think that I'll spend here more than an hour till my train leaves for Asti. Now I'm in this almost abandoned citadel. Although there is a museum here, it dates to the 18th century, and apparently this is one of the best preserved buildings of the kind in Europe and in the world. So look at that behind my back. Let me change the camera. Looks pretty good. It was built by the Kingdom of Sardinia. There are some kids playing in the background. There's literally, apart from these kids here in the center of the citadel, there's literally no one here. I'm not going to the museum. It's really, really well preserved. I've never been to such a big citadel in my life.
Cost: train Genova Alessandria, round ticket 1640. Coffee with pastries at Pasticceria Bonadeo, €5. What can we learn? Exploring Alessandria offers insights into Italy's rich history, from medieval sieges to Baroque architecture. Discover vibrant local life at Piazza Giuseppe Garibaldi. Delve into hat-making heritage at Museo Borsalino, and admire the strategic brilliance of the Cittadella di Alessandria. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Walking the World. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep living your best life. Ciao.